All right, y'all. So as y'all been seeing going all around TikTok, this viral cucumber salad, I guess it is. I ain't have no cream cheese, so I'm gonna try it with this French onion dip. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Probably do like a half a cucumber. But I did get the smoked salmon. I forgot the guy's name. Darn. If you know the guy's name who created this, it starts with an L. If you know the guy's name who created it, please feel free to tag him. Because I don't know. I don't remember his name. Tell me in the comments something. But anyway, I got my cucumber. Got my onion. Got this. Got this. Ain't supposed to have this, but it's okay. Didn't have no everything but the bagel season, so I'm using this 21 seasons. Okay. It should work. I went ahead and cut two little big, whatever, slices of onion. I ain't putting that much onion in there because I don't got that much cucumber. This how much I got. Ain't that much to me. So I'm going to cut them into decent little cuts because I seen everybody cutting it, and they was cutting it kind of big. I don't know if I want big chunks of onion. So I'm going to cut it medium. All right, so I'm not even going to use that other piece. This is enough onion for me. I don't need all that. I don't know. They was using a lot. I'm not using all that. This is all I need. All right, y'all. Now we got this salmon. Now, I ain't never had no smoked salmon, okay? Because, no offense, but in my household and in my family, this was never for us. My grandma probably looking down right now, asking me, bro, what the hell is you finna be eating? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to taste it real quick before I put it in here because I'm so... My son said you're going to like it because you know you like weird stuff. Now, when I start eating weird stuff, but this is what it look like, yo.
You eat cucumbers with peanut butter and stuff.
I eat cucumbers with peanut butter. I know you lie.
Like
Child, I hate when people call me when I'm busy. I'm busy right now. This is what it look like. Let me take a little piece. Scared. Ain't the best, but ain't the worst. All right. Let's cut this thing up. Baby, this ain't ready to eat, but I don't feel like this is ready to eat. I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling this already. Y'all say it's good, so I'm going to trust y'all. Y'all better not be lying either. Stop lying for views. I need honest. If it's good, then I'll take back everything that I say. Okay. But for now, I can't see this being good. All right, y'all. So I got my French onion dip. I'm going to put about as much as everybody have of their cream cheese. So that go $1. I'm going to do another one just to make sure it coats. Okay. We're going to do one more because it needs something. Like I said, I ain't got no everything but the bagel. But we got this. Should be about... Ooh, this ain't it. Oh, this is not it. Okay. I'm finna give me some everything but the bagel. But for now, we're going to just put this in there. Oh, my God. Chop. All right, now I'm finna put a little bit of this in there because now I feel like I done effed up. I might need something else. If you don't like it, oh, well. You don't have to eat this. I like it. I know y'all be saying all this kind of stuff. All right, let me mix this thing up. Child, she gave me a bowl with no lid. All right, now, y'all, we finna shake it and see how this thing turn out. Come on, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake. I said shake. All right, y'all. So here's the moment of truth. So I done shook it up, honey. It didn't mix up well enough. Look how it turned out, y'all. I gotta mix it up myself. Dang. You did me wrong. All right, hold on. I'm finna just taste it like this because it didn't mix up right. Why am I here to turn out like that? But what if it's banging, y'all? What if it's jumping? You think it's good, Lorenzo?
No.
No? Okay. That's it. Are you good or are you not?
I don't believe it. You don't even believe it.
That feels good. But I feel like it tastes so much better with the cream cheese. Oh, but it's definitely good. And all them videos, look how they look, y'all. All them videos made me crave this so bad. And I don't even know what it tastes like now and then. It's worth it. Y'all, if y'all don't got no cream cheese, hello, French onion dip. It's so good. But I'm going to go ahead and finish eating. Grandma. I guess the smoked stuff is for us. But I can only imagine that cheese flavor probably tastes so much better. Oh my God.
Nah, Mom.
I'm gonna add some cream cheese to this. Should I add cream cheese?
No, you're not like us, bro. We don't eat stuff like that.
I'm not like y'all. I don't want to be like y'all.
No, you're not like us.
Y'all gonna make it. I'm gonna eat mine.